Don't let anyone convince you that your dreams are unattainable. At ngayon, pag-uusapan natin ang isa sa pinaka-nagbibigay kulay sa buhay, ang pangarap. Napansin mo ba kapag pinag-uusapan ng pangarap, sari-sari mga emosyon ang nararamdaman natin. Nandun yung excitement, at the same time may hesitation. Andun din yung takot na may kasama pagdududa. Why? Because as we journey through life, many people find themselves letting go of their dreams. Isa sa dahilan ay ang bigat ng responsibilidad na naiipon as we grow older. The demand of work, family, and daily life can sometimes lead to dream abandonment. Dagdag pa dito ang mga past disappointment and failures na nagiging sanhi para kalimutan ng pangarap. Unti-unti mong pagdududahan ng sarili mo, ang kakayahan mo, at sisimula mong paniwalaan kailanman di mo kayang kunin ang pangarap mo. And we end up settling for what's familiar, even if it's no longer aligned with our dreams. Pero hindi pa huli ang lahat. Para gisingin ang natutulog mong pangarap. Pangarap na nagbibigay sigla at inspirasyon sa buhay. They represent your ambitions, desires, visions that gives true meaning of life. Sa tamang determinasyon, pagpaplano at pag-iisip, posible itong mangyari. Along the way, you'll face challenges and obstacles, and it's part of the journey. These tests, mga pagsubok, yan ang susukat sa totoong commitment mo sa iyong pangarap. Tandaan mo, ang pangarap mo ay parte ng buhay mo. They're the compass that can guide you towards a more fulfilling and purposeful life. Embrace your dreams. Write it down. Take meaningful actions towards them. And most importantly, don't let anyone convince you that your dreams are unattainable.